Hello, my name is Teacher Huda. And I am so excited to be a science teacher. Today, we are going to learn about cells. So, are you ready, kids? What is cells? Cells is the smallest basic unit of life that is responsible for all of life processes. They may be made up of a single cell, unicellular, or many cells, multicellular. For your information, mycoplasma are the smallest known cells. Cells are the building blocks of all living beings. Cells are complex and their components perform various functions in an organism. They are of different shapes and sizes. Cells provide structure for the body, taking nutrients from food. Convert those nutrients into energy and carry out specialized functions. A single cell is often a complete organism in itself, such as yeast and bacteria. Who discovered cells, my fellow students? Robert Hooke was the first biologist who discovered cells. So far, do you understand, students?
Fun facts! Cells can multiply. Do you know about that? Animal cells consist of nucleus, mitochondria, cell membrane, and cytoplasm.
Nucleus control center of the cell contains DNA, usually the easiest organelle to see under the microscope, and one nucleus per cell. Cytoplasm, intracellular material present inside cell enclosed by cell membrane. Cell membrane, also known as plasma membrane, separates the interior cell from the outside environment, regulates the movement of materials entering and exiting the cells. And the last one is mitochondrion, found in cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells, the powerhouse of the cells, responsible for cellular respiration in cells. So right now, we are going to learn about plant cells.
The cell wall consists of Golgi apparatus, chloroplast, vacuole, mitochondria, cell wall, and also ribosome.
Golgi apparatus stores protein for the cell, processes protein for cells. Ribosome consists of RNA and generate protein in cells. Cell wall maintains the shape of the cells, surrounding the cells tough and flexible. Chloroplast maintains the shape of the cells, carries photosynthesis, converts light energy into energy. Vacuole have no-set shapes like a closed sac made of organic or inorganic molecules. Let's check out other cool microorganisms right now. The first one is bacteria. Do you know bacteria exist everywhere? There are good and bad bacteria. Good bacteria in Yakult helps with your digestion. Let's see what the virus looks like. For your information, virus makes you sick. Remember to wash your hands, drink plenty of water, cover your nose when sneezing. So right now, let's discover what the fungi looks like. What fungi can do? Fungi is used to raise dough, decompose tree, and also to mold bread.
Okay, students, now we proceed to the types of cells. There are two types of cells. Do you want to know what are they? The two types of cells are Type 1, prokaryotic cells. Type 2, eukaryotic cells. This is how the cell looks like. Does anyone know what are the characteristics of cells? Here are some of the things we are going to learn in my class. The characteristics of cells. Number 1. Cells provide structure and support to the body of an organism. Number 2. The cell interior is organized into different individual organelles surrounded by a separate membrane. Number 3. The nucleus, major organelle, holds genetic information necessary for reproduction and cell growth. Number 4. Every cell has one nucleus and membrane-bound organelles in the cytoplasm. Number 5. Lysosome digests unwanted materials in the cell. Have you remembered what are the types and characteristics of cells? Try to answer these following questions. What are the two types of cells? State the function of cells to the body of an organism. What is the function of lysosomes in cells? Name the major organelle that holds the genetic information. Well done! The answers are correct. Thank you for attention and participation during the class. Till we meet again in the next class with more awesome topics.